Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. Okay, right now we have a beautiful hair loss warrior. She appears to be dealing with alopecia areata, and she says she's been dealing with hair loss about the last 10 to 15 years. She found us online, and she's ready now to take the plunge on her hair loss journey. Okay, so now you will be seeing some of the different treatments that we offer that are pretty much they are non-invasive. We're not using any hard manipulation on the scalp. Everything is very gentle and natural based products. Right now we are applying our exfoliation treatment. She did not want to get her full complete head shampooed or her full head complete hair wet, just only the major troubled areas. Okay, and now we are just removing the sebum follicle remover for any blocked of sebum. That is one of the main causes of hair loss and can attribute to more hair loss is that the follicle is blocked and therefore no product is able to seep down into the pores. And we also are just massaging her head and giving her a nice massage with our minoxidil-based shampoos. And now we are giving her our anti-inflammatory block. This has helped a lot of our clients. Okay, and now we have applied some of our herbal tinctures that we create. And this is just going to help produce more hair growth. For more information, please schedule mainattractionshair.com or perversionmain.com.